Hello friends, we are going to discuss the string star operator. The star operator in a string is called as replication or repetition operator. It multiplies a string by an integer to repeat it that many times. The syntax, a string, we have to give a star operator followed by n. N must be an integer, or we can give n star string. The string will get repeated n number of times. So the rules are given here. The n must be an integer. The whole string is repeated. The entire string is repeated, not individual characters. N star s. S is a string, n is an integer, and s star n gives the same result. Here, few examples are given. The variable s1 equal to high, variable s2 equal to 3 into s1. If I print s2, this contain 3 high. That means 3 star s1. That means s1 is having high. High is repeated 3 times. Like what is happening here? So s1 is high. S1 star 3 means the high is get concatenated 3 times. So high plus high plus high. That's why which is get repeated 3 times. We will see a demo. Here I am giving a very simple demo to you. I am having a variable high. I am multiplying it with 3 times. Star is a multiplication operator. See, high is repeated 3 times. Now I am giving 3 first multiplied with I am giving high. So the same result, high is repeated 3 times. But you should understand do's and don'ts. If you give two integers with the star operator, then it is become a multiplication operator. 3 into 2 equal to 6. You should not give two strings. For example, I am giving high multiplied with I am giving 3 as a string. If you give like this, then the error will occur. So this is an error. Can't multiply sequence by non-int of type string. You can't multiply by giving a string. That's it. In this video lecture, we have discussed about the replication, that is a star operator in a string, and how it works. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button.